Well, good morning. Workshop Wednesday coming at you from the desk this morning. I got notes and stuff I got to talk about. Not any tips, but this is going to be informative of what's going on the next several months and kind of sharing what's going on here in the shop. Happy New Year, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. It's been busy. This is going to be busy. January's busy. A lot of me having fun. Spent the last couple of days in far west Texas with a buddy hunting mule deer, and that was fun. Back in the shop yesterday afternoon and plugging away, and so here we are today. And we got workshops coming up. I'm gonna share some of that. Patreon's rolling. Before I get started on all the workshops, Patreon's rolling. So several questions. I'm gonna repeat here for y'all that already know. Sorry, but for y'all that don't know, Patreon is a platform that's subscription based. So yeah, I got different tiers set up where you can pay me to see educational things. So it's a lot like Workshop Wednesday here, but a lot more in depth, a lot more videos. I got several different layers. If you're just supportive and enjoy what I'm doing for the trades and I kind of want to follow along every now and then with different things going on, that's you don't have to put up with social media confusion, then you can pay me $1 a month. And I appreciate every penny I get, I promise. $5 a month will get you a couple more videos than what you're getting here with Workshop Wednesday. And then for $20 a month, you'll get a video every day I'm in the shop plugging away. And all of it is just joining the journey of me as a bit and spur maker here in my shop and sharing the trials and tribulations. And as I encounter difficulties, I'll share that with you and how I solve them, and also show you how I have learned how to prevent mistakes and prevent headaches and things like that. So little tricks and treasures, man. So you can go to Patreon. It's patreon.com. You can go in there and sign up and just search Wilson Capron and you'll find me, and you can sign up to the different tiers there and away you go. So anyhow, share that knowledge with you guys that aren't exactly makers, but know somebody that is and enjoys watching craft. Well, here's a good way to go about it. So first of all, this month, January 19th through the 23rd, I'll be in Queen Creek, Arizona for Art of the Cowgirl. I've been asked to be the master bit and spur maker for them this year, and I'll mentor one or two ladies on the art and craft of bit and spur making, and try to share the knowledge as much as I can, and help them do everything and go as far as they possibly want to go. So I'll be doing a presentation there on that weekend, and I have a booth set up with some of my stuff. I'll have two of my TCA pieces from this past show there that I didn't sell. So it's always fun to see that and to get an up close and personal look at it is something special, and certainly different than looking at it in pictures. So if you're able to come to Arizona, Queen Creek, and see me, be sure and stop by. We'll be they have a whole section of the master section, they call it. I guess there's several of us that they've picked, and they have us sectioned off, and come in there and see me. I'll be happy to talk and visit and have a big old time. After that, let's see, February 15th through the 18th, I have a spur workshop scheduled. I only have one person signed up. I need 4 to have the class. So if you know somebody that's interested in spurs and wanting to come to one of the workshops this year, that's the first one. The last one won't be till the fall, and I don't know the exact dates of it. Bit workshop, March 8th through the 11th. I got a few signed up for that one, but come get in and participate there if you wish. All of this can be signed up on my website. All the dates for the spring and the fall, everything's there on the website. Go check it out, wilsoncapron.com, for those of y'all that don't know. So you can sign up, make your deposit there. That's where you need to make your deposit and sign up. That way I don't forget with my little pea brain of who's coming and who's coming to what, and getting it all paid and all that business. Also, not on my website, but the TCA's website or the National Cowboy Museum's website, Ernie Marsh and I are hosting an ornamentation class April 19th through the 21st at his shop studio in Lovell, Wyoming. So it's going to cover the 2 different types of soldering, from soft solder overlays to hard solder. which is silver soldering, 2 different temperature ranges there. And then we'll also go over some inlays. It's going to be a pretty fun class. It's not going to be quite as strict as what mine are, and that, yeah, mine is hands-on, and this ornamentation class will be hands-on, but it's going to be like a 3-ring circus. We'll have all 3 activities going on all 3 days. So you'll be able to come and go as you please, and try your hand at this for a while, and then try your hand at that, and we'll help and push and pull you along and see how much we can go. Should be a lot of fun. That, again, April 19th to the 21st, you go to the National Cowboy Museum's website to sign up for that. And there should be a number there too, which I could post that. Maybe I can get that posted on my, may do a post on social media here, and y'all can sign up. You call Gretchen. Hold on, I might be able to. Y'all being patient? I'll get Gretchen's number here. Gretchen's number is 405. Gretchen Jean is who you'll call to sign up for this ornamentation class. 405-478-2250, extension 277. 405-478-2250, extension 277. And leave Gretchen a message if you don't get there, and tell her you'd like to sign up for a class, and away we go. Be fun to have y'all, and I think we're going to should take quite a few in that class, and so it'd be fun, be a great environment. Ernie's shop is great. It's kind of out in the middle of nowhere, but man, that's perfect. That's perfect for me anyhow. I like that environment. I also have an engraving class coming in May, I believe it is, May 25th through the 27th. So again, sign up for all that. So this is a big old advertisement promotional thing, telling you what I'm doing. No hard sales, guys. Just letting you know what's going on, and if you're interested in all this stuff, I'd love to have you. We will have some fun. I'll teach you everything from how to do it to how to make a living doing it, hopefully. That's what it's all about. So anyhow, I hope y'all have a great new year. I'm excited about what's all going to happen, and pressures are happening. It's time for me to start TCA stuff, if y'all want to know the truth. Will I get it done in January? Will I get started? Not sure. I've already got a bit drawn that I'm really excited about, some shanks that are going to be fun to do. It's a 2 or 3 month project, so I need to get my butt rolling on it. But with all that schedule I just told y'all, it'd probably be February before I get rolling. So anyhow, hope all's well. We'll see y'all next week, and happy Workshop Wednesday. Adios.